Good morning. It's day 78, and we're about to do about 20 miles a day.
Yeah.
Through the Pennsylvania rocky section. So, Rocksylvania, here we come.
Yeah. We just thought we've had some rocks.
Yeah.
Wait till you hear at the end of today.
Some fun stuff today. But we're headed into the Lookout tonight, so it'd be nice. Stayed here at the shelter last night. Was very comfortable. Just the two of us in the shelter, and tonight going to the Lookout. So got a couple of good views coming up today and some rocks today. So we're gonna get busy.
Climbing up to Pulpit Rock. We're looking out for rattlesnakes with every step.
Still hazy.
But clear enough. Wow. Pinnacle Point, huh?
Yeah, this is Pulpit Rock.
Pulpit Rock. Pulpit Rock. Nice little walkway. You're pretty. We took a little break on the top of Pulpit Rock to send a message to our mamas because today on Trail for Us is Mother's Day. So happy belated Mother's Day to all you mamas out there. No, I'm going all the way to Katahdin.
Oh, I didn't say it's for Katahdin. Fort Jersey.
No. Thumbs up is threatening to leave me back where I came from. I was born in Port Jervis, New York, and the trail goes right by it, right at High Point, which will be Friday. Nice. Loosened you up. And there's a tiny baby rock at the top. This is a blue blaze off trail, but it's gonna be worth it. Yeah, real hazy. This is going to be our little lunch spot. Plenty of water. On today's episode of What Do You See in the Tree? That dude peeking around the corner. Looks like he's up to no good. Big old nose.
The delivery guy.
So we've got about a 1.5 mile climb out of where we stopped for lunch. And the rest of the day is ridge hiking to the Lookout Hostel for the evening. We've got a little bit of pitter patter, so we put our ponchos on. It's not too bad. It is kind of steady right now, so we'll keep dry. Well, it's definitely more wet inside the poncho than outside the poncho. And this is a pretty steep haul. And it's not cold. It's not windy. And it's hot. Yeah. So the rain actually feels nice right now. It's cooling us down.
It's Pinnacle out there. We were on that earlier.
Way out there is Pinnacle. Mountain, rock point, something. Beautiful. Beautiful. Not gonna lie, this is kind of what I thought the down into town yesterday was gonna be.
Yeah.
Just all this like scrambling, the way that people talked about this steep drop in the PA rocks. All right, putting the phone away. I'm glad we didn't step on you, little guy. Hey, the cutie. It's okay, we'll just step over him. He's trying to act like we don't see him. Play dead. Good job. These ferns do not disappoint. Whenever we see them, the trail is so nice to us. So we get excited to see them, not just because they're beautiful, but because they like nice ground. So do we, ferns. So do we. So the trail turns right here, and that's where it goes. Here, and then here, and you're still on the trail here. Am I? Yep, okay. How about, oh yeah. Okay, we're still on. I just want to make sure. Still keeping us well informed. Appreciate it. We are about 1.5 miles out from the end of our hike today, and this last, few miles has been really nice. Been pretty level. We've only had a few sections where it's kind of rocky, but it's not even so bad. So, it's been so nice. And we're almost there, and we're gonna treat ourselves to some dinner tonight. Looking forward to it. So, Thumbs Up is going to that restaurant right there, and he's gonna surprise me with a nice treat for dinner. And I'm going this way, and it's like 1 or 2/10 of a mile to the Lookout Hostel. I'm so excited. All right, I gotta be on this highway for 1/10 of a mile. I think it's just as far as we can see right down there on the right side. Here we are, the Lookout. This is where it gets its name.
So I just ordered our food, and I was in there talking with some folks that they started asking questions, so I started answering questions, and some guys like were listening in behind, they started asking questions, and they bought dinner for us. So I ordered it already anyway, and then when he brought the food, I said, well, I haven't paid yet. He said, those guys bought your dinner, and they'd already left. But man, such a nice blessing to have someone pick up dinner for us. So now I get to go surprise Sweets that dinner has been paid for. So man, I tell you what, the blessings upon blessings that just happen out here, the generosity of people and kindness has been amazing. So now we're gonna go eat this wonderful meal that has been blessed to us.
Man, we had another fantastic day on trail, about 21 miles. We had a little bit of everything. We had big rocks, scramble, little rocks, a smooth trail, the great, incredible views, even with the haze. Then when we got to the hostel at the end of our great day, we ran into Too Much, who we saw from way back, a few times leapfrogging with him, and then Peeps and Pops and a few other through hikers that we've seen along the way. Met a couple new section hikers. So man, full day, feeling really good. We're gonna get some good rest, and we're looking forward to a great day tomorrow. We have a little shorter day, and we'll stop right before Lehigh Gap, so you'll see what that day's like and what's to come. So for now, good night.